Welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson, we'll explain the concept of component and what components are. We'll explain what a component is. We know that YouTube is a website made of components. This button is component, and the purpose of the component to build a single piece of code and use the multiple time, and instead of rewrite the same code. The goal is ease, speed, and organization. The list of video also component. And sidebar and link, we also build the components. Now, let's start building our first component. We will create a folder and name it components. We always place components file in a folder with this name. Then, we will create a file, the bottom. To create our first component in React, we start the word function, followed by the component's name. Since I'm making button component, I will call it button. Every function in React needs return statement to work. Inside the return, I will write button's code. Remember, I create the button component as example. You can create any other component you want. After that, we will run the project and import the component in any page we need it. I'm going to import this component. You need to export it from its file. I will write export default button. Then I will go to the App.jsx file, open a chevrons, write a component's name button, and close the chevron. There are two ways to do this. You can write bottom/bottom, or you can self-close the tag. You must also import the bottom component from the path where you saved the file. This extension, ES7 React, Redux, GraphQL, React Native Snippet, this extension will help instead write function from scratch. The shortcut is rfce for regular function, and you can use shortcut rafc to create an arrow function, whichever you can use when you prefer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!